You're looking at a 2018 Nissan Altima. This Nissan was a local trade-in. There are no accidents reported on a history report. It has been inspected and serviced. We have a copy of the history report and inspection. The tires are 16-inch Hankooks and they are in good condition. The interior and exterior of the Altima is very clean. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, intelligent forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, electronic stability control. Features include S convenience package, power driver's seat, CD player, Bluetooth MP3 audio system with 6 speakers, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control with steering wheel controls, power windows and locks, air conditioning, keyless entry with remote start. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.